Oh my gosh. First things first, we're gonna have to get rid of that noise. That's gonna be a problem. Hula hoop ASMR. Hold up. It's a dark and stormy night. It's a really wonderful day. You're doing a good job. Hi, I'm Karen.
And I'm Connie.
And we're back. It's a new day, the same battle.
You guys seem to like the last video that we made, and we sure as heck liked making it, so we're back at it again for a second time.
For those of you who didn't join us last time, this is the show where I win.
No, we've only done this once. So you've probably seen some videos that are like this.
Laura DIY, the Sorry Girls do a ton of these. Please go check them out.
It's basically people who use dollar store items to craft bigger, better things.
Here, we take the exact same object and then we flip it with additional dollar store items to create a unique home decor piece. Today's item is a hula hoop! Or as they call it at the dollar store, a fun hoop. It's a real fun hoop. I'm excellent at hula hooping.
And I am terrible.
But we're not gonna use them for that.
We're actually gonna duel it out to see who can make the cooler piece by letting you guys vote on our Instagram. Pick me. It's subliminal messaging.
Pick me, pick me,
Stop.
pick me.
Stop.
We're gonna try to keep it under $10. And we did see in the comments that we didn't add in for hot glue and spray paint and things like that. And we're not gonna do that again because we're counting it as things that you would have around your house.
Let's head to the dollar store. Let's go.
Let's go.
Back at it again. Here we are. The kids are back in town. The girls back on the block. Karen back on a win streak. That is literally not what has happened so far. That's what's gonna happen. So we're here back at the dollar store. Gonna start figuring out what we're gonna do for our crafts and how I'm gonna win again. So bye. Now, I just don't see how I'm gonna turn down the hula hoop that has emojis on it. I mean, I wouldn't even have to paint it. Like, it's basically done. So here's what I'm gonna do. I've seen this online before. There's this fancy magazine holder that was going around that was a circular magazine holder and it was in gold like hoops. I'm gonna take my two hoops, I'm gonna attach them at the top with some rope, and at the bottom I'm gonna put some kind of sticks to put some stability so it doesn't rock anywhere. Then I'm gonna take a sling of some kind where they can hold the magazine and put that at the bottom. All I'm saying is Karen better keep an eye out.
I walked down the aisle to film away from Karen. And who should I run into?
What do you got there?
You can't know the secret.
I got my eye on you.
You stay on your side of the store, I'll stay on mine.
Get out of here. My vision is I'm going to have 3 of the hula hoops. I'm gonna put them all together and make a like shelf thing on the wall that looks really cool. So what I need is something to make that shelf. Okay, so I'm here on the frame aisle and I found something that I think will really work. I am gonna make it happen. So this feels pretty appropriate.
What are you doing?
I'm ready to check out. Are you ready?
What could you possibly be making?
I don't know, something awesome. Cool, let's check out.
All right, so we are back from the store and I am feeling great about what I have picked to do. I am going to make a magazine holder. None of us really have magazines, but I think this could be like really cute accessory in the living room. First things first, what I gotta do is I gotta spray paint this hula hoop.
What are you gonna paint it?
Gold, because I'm a winner. So now they are gold. This is so dangerous. Here they are. As you can see, we now have 2 gold hoops. Those are some cute earrings you got, Connie. Wow. I'm debating what I want to do because I either want to tie the top of it first or I want to put the stability in. What do you think? Any thoughts?
I mean, I would tie it personally.
All right, I'm going to tie it first.
Not because you said
Not because you said so, it's because I thought of it first. So I've got me skein of rope. Is that the right word?
Sure.
It kind of sounds like a gecko or something. We're just gonna start wrapping them.
I'm gonna start by attaching the end of the rope to the underside of the hula hoop so it isn't as visible on the finished project. Then I'm gonna wrap the rope around both hoops, securing it down with more glue as I go.
I'm just putting some hot glue on the end of this so it doesn't fray. All right, that's the top part. I honestly like the rope so much. Am I gonna?
Don't.
What if I just continue with the rope and wrap that around the bottom section
To make that the sling
Yes,
thing?
exactly.
Oh, I kind of like that.
I got these out of my garage sale signs. I spray painted them gold so that they could match with the whole piece. Now I'm going to measure them to see how long I need the supports to be and then cut them with an X-Acto knife. Yeah, it wouldn't be one of my crafts unless there was a lot of danger involved. So here's where we are. I'm putting these on the bottom, first off to give this some more stability so it stays together. Should we stay together better? So it stays together better. And also because these also have a flat end, I hope that'll help it not slip on the floor so much.
Are you happy with that?
I am.
With my new plan, I'm starting by tying my rope with a knot at the beginning and then wrapping and securing with adhesive, just like I did on the top. Every time I start or stop a new piece of rope, I'm just gonna secure it where it isn't visible on the inside.
And it's done!
20 years later.
Okay, it did. I love this so much though. It does look expensive. I'm a bougie dollar store girl. So it's somebody else's turn.
Yeah, get out of here.
Okay, let's switch. So you may be thinking to yourself, Karen, you have on a new outfit. You'd be right. I made a project last night and
I am gonna make it happen.
I don't want to talk about it. You know, we had technical difficulties and we're moving on. I am going to make a customizable sign that you can put your own inspirational quotes or your name or something cool in it, and you can change it out with your whimsy. Whatever you feel like that day, you can put on there. I think it's gonna look really good, maybe even better than what I had originally thought. As you can tell, I already have a hula hoop painted. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some ribbon to size. I need 3 pieces across. You know those days when you feel like the world is a little against you? Not today, world! Okay, so I cut enough length on both sides that I have enough to wrap around. I'm just going to kind of equally space them out. Now I'm going to hot glue them around the sides so that it looks nice and profesh. Okay, so this worked out just like I planned it, so already super excited. Now all I'm gonna do is I am going to print a saying out on some cardstock, and I'm going to cut that out and put it with the alligator clips onto our ribbons, and then we're gonna have a sign. Yes, you can, and I could, and I did. I love how this turned out. It's even better than I even thought it would be. I think that it is just so cute and it's gonna look great up on the wall. Honestly, it could say I will win because that's what's gonna happen. Let's go, let's style. And we are done! Woo! Both projects complete. Technically 3 projects complete, but who's counting? But I love your project so much. It's really cute.
It's really nice that it has multiple uses. Like, I think you can use it for magazines, but I also think it would be great to use as like a wood storage option. And it also looks like a very sculptural piece.
Well, my project, even though it is the second iteration of what I was trying to make, I am really proud of. I love how customizable it is. Put your favorite saying, your favorite quote, your name, whatever, it'll all fit on there.
It's super graphic, and you can change it out however you want. Yet again, we put both of these up onto Instagram to see which one you guys like better, and we are going to check on the results on the phone that I do not have. This phone.
Wow! You had it the whole time.
Drum roll, please. Such a quiet drum roll. Okay, and the winner is...
It's very pianissimo.
Oh my gosh, Karen, you did it! No! Yes! Yes!
I feel like the end of like an 80s movie when you're like, freeze frame. Honestly, you went through
were so much of a struggle in this one. I'm really happy for you to have won it.
Thanks, man.
I think you deserve it. I think you
Thanks.
totally do.
Honestly, the finish line looked very far away as of last night, but I am really happy with it, and I'm really glad that you guys like it. Thank you.
I totally get it. I mean, I just think it is so unique, and like you can really like change it up to fit you specifically, which is so nice.
Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more.
It's tied now, 1-1. I'm not thrilled about that. So we're gonna have to do this again because I need to be the winner.